In this video, we'll be showing you how to make our favorite homemade ranch. Making homemade ranch could not be easier, and it tastes so much better than what you can buy at the store. Here I'm adding some mayonnaise and sour cream to a medium-sized bowl. After that, I'll add some seasonings. Here I have salt, garlic, onion, chives, and dill. Whisk those ingredients together and then add a little milk to make that nice consistency. Homemade ranch is best if you can let it sit in the fridge for at least an hour, or a whole day is even better. This allows for all the flavors to come out of those dried seasonings. After chill, store in a small container or jar. Enjoy!